everybody, and welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. And in today's video, we have a quickie. Now, when you think of glam home decor, picture sparkle, shine, and just the right amount of drama. It's the style that instantly makes a space feel luxurious, polished, and pulled together, like stepping into your very own red carpet moment at home. Glam decor is all about elegance and sophistication, with a touch of extravagance. Think mirrored furniture, crystal chandeliers, metallic finishes, and plush fabrics like velvet and faux fur. It's a style that embraces shine and reflection, creating rooms that feel open, glamorous, and full of personality. What makes glam decor so appealing is the way it makes you feel when you walk into the room. There's an immediate sense of confidence, beauty, and luxury. A glam space often feels like a special event in itself, welcoming, exciting, and just a little indulgent. At its core, glam isn't just about flashy pieces. It's about balance. Yes, you'll see sparkle and metallics, of course, but they're often paired with sleek, clean lines and neutral backdrops. That contrast keeps glam spaces from feeling overwhelming and makes them timeless instead of trendy. People are drawn to glam decor because it allows for self-expression and just a little fantasy. It's about creating a space that not only looks beautiful, but makes you feel beautiful in it. It's bold without being too loud, elegant without being stiff, and always gives off that high-end designer feel, even if you've styled it on a budget. So if you want your home to feel like it's dripping in luxury and sophistication, glam home decor might be the style for you. If you've loved this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more decor inspiration, and check the description for glam-inspired home finds that you can bring into your space today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.